let's talk about Triple Net Lease. A Triple Net Lease is a lease agreement on a property where the tenant or lessee pays all expenses associated with the property, including real estate taxes, building insurance, and maintenance, in addition to rent and utilities. The landlord assumes no costs other than those associated with structural repairs. In other types of lease agreements, some or all of these payments are the responsibility of the landlord. Triple net leases are standard practice in commercial leases and are favored by the landlord. They are popular investment vehicles as they provide low risk and steady income. At Equiton, our commercial properties have triple net lease agreements.